Well, Diddy will be sitting in custody until his sentencing. Hi, I'm Melba Pearson, also known as the Resident Legal Diva, and it's time for another Daily Diddy, giving you regular updates on the P. Diddy trial. Now, we did get a verdict. He was found guilty on 2 counts, and those were the transportation and for the purposes of prostitution counts. Each carries a max of 10 years in prison. Now, of course, the defendant, Diddy, wanted to get out of jail in between the time of his conviction and sentencing. The defense argued that he is not a flight risk, that he won't be a danger to the community, and that there are conditions that could enable him to be released without a harm to the community. Well, the prosecution was like, hell no, he needs to stay in custody and sit until his sentencing. The judge actually used the defense words against them. Check this out. So this is something that happens in courthouses all around the country after someone has been found guilty and they have been in custody during the time of trial. So the judge has to make a decision whether or not they should be released between then and sentencing based on whether or not they are a flight risk. So basically, are they going to come back to court for sentencing? Are they a danger to the community? And then can they comply with the laws between now and then? So the judge in this case was like, listen, defense, you said in your closing arguments that Diddy was a violent person, that Diddy was abusive to Cassie, and that you guys own the domestic violence. So as a result of that, I'm not letting him out because he's a danger to the community. So he's going to sit in custody until his sentencing on October 3rd. I'll be back then to give you those updates. And lastly, please weigh in the comments what case you want me to cover next. And if you want more of me, check me out on YouTube at Resident Legal Diva.